Welcome to week 12 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin, making 3 NFL predictions, and then making those 3 picks into a parlay. I picked the teams that I think are most likely going to win regardless of odds, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment involved. And I update my stats from week to week, so if you're interested in making NFL predictions to win some free Bitcoin, please use the Ember app that you see linked in the description. And so far on the season, I'm 29-15. I've won $190.78 and I've lost $69. My first pick is the Buffalo Bills over the Houston Texans. This is a Thursday night game, and I just think the Texans with their backup quarterback have no chance to keep up with the high-flying offense that Josh Allen provides. My next pick is the Detroit Lions over the New York Giants. The New York Giants are also on a backup quarterback, and with the Lions being at home and being a generally pretty good team, I don't think this game ends up being close at all. And my last pick is the Baltimore Ravens over the New York Jets. The Jets have been pretty bad all year, and when the Ravens have Lamar Jackson, it's really hard to beat them. And I just don't see the Jets being able to keep up with Lamar Jackson no matter what happens. And that means I have a parlay of the Bills, Lions, and Ravens, risking 5,000 sats to win 9,004. And I'll be back next week with updated stats and new picks for everybody. See you then.